In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube name from your iPhone or iPad. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the YouTube application, and then in the bottom right hand side of the screen, click on your profile icon. Now select View Channel, and then click on the pencil icon to bring up the edit menu. Now right at the top of the screen, you'll see your current username for YouTube. Click on the pencil icon again to edit this name, and then from here, you can go and select a new name that you want to use for your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to call this Reese and Gabby Travel, and then you can press save. Now do bear in mind that you're only able to change your name twice in 14 days. You can also change your handle as well, which is your public URL. So I can click on the edit button here and also update this. So now that we've updated our name, what you can do is close out of the YouTube application. And if we now open back up YouTube, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, you can see right at the top here, we have now updated our YouTube name. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.